baby crow. Today we'll show you the child car seat Britax Romer Kidfix SL. This car seat was made in Germany. It belongs to the second and third category, so it is designed for children of 3 to 12 years, rated good according to the results of ADAC testing. So here are its characteristics. The car seat is designed for children of 3 to 12 years, with a weight of 15 to 36 kilograms that approximate to the height of 98 to 145 centimeters. The seat can be installed in the car only in the direction of the car movement, in two ways. With the help of the latest ISOFIX system with soft latch technology, that is ISOFIX on the belts and using a 3-point safety belt of the car. If your car is equipped with ISOFIX fixing, you may use the first fixation method. To pull out the soft latch fixing, you need to press the button in the front of the seat and pull it from the rear of the car seat, in the bottom. After fixing the soft latch with ISOFIX car fixing, press the seat to the car seat and pull the belt in front, securely fixing the seat to the car thereby. If you do not have an ISOFIX fixing, the seat is fixed only with a standard safety belt. To do this, you need to pass the lower part of the belt through webbing guides from the both sides of the seat, and the upper part of the belt through the clamp near the headrest. Guides are always painted in a bright color, so it will be intuitively comprehensible for you how to correctly fix the belts. The child is fixed in the same way, only with a 3-point safety belt. High backrest and special design on the seat provides the child with 3-level protection. The seat is equipped with high and soft sides. Thanks to them, the total body area of a child is protected. Besides, they give the kid an extra comfort during the journey. The backrest of the seat is adjustable, changing the angle of slope in accordance with the slope of the car seat. Thanks to such an opportunity, the seat is better suited to the car seat. The headrest is ergonomic and comfortable. Provided that it is properly installed at the level of the shoulders of the child, it protects head and neck of the child. It is easily adjusted in height at 11 positions, along with the safety belts. You need to press the button behind the seat and select the desired position for this. The backrest of the seat is V-shaped. Such design gives an extra space for growth and guarantees a comfortable position for your baby. The seat cover is made of soft material, which is furthermore easy to clean from dirt. If necessary, it can be quickly removed and washed in a delicate mode. The weight of the car seat is 6.4 kilograms. Thus, the German car seat Britax Romer Kidfix SL is designed for a long period of use, up to your child's 12 years. It is easy to install, equipped with an intuitively comprehensible guide system for safety belts fixing and ISOFIX installation system. Thank you for being with us today. Subscribe to our channel and wait for the next videos.